Hey, are you searching for good quality robot toys? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these robot toys. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which robot toys are the best for your baby. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Wonder Workshop Dash Coding Robot for Kids 6+. Dash and Dot are a robot duo that even adults will love, thanks to their endless options for play. Simply download the Wonder app to an Apple, Android, or Kindle Fire compatible smart device and watch them come to life. The toys teach coding to kids by allowing them to program Dash's every move while operating lights, sounds, and more. Plus, Dash is operable without trusty sidekick Dot, who is also fully programmable to be a light sword, magic 8-ball, and whatever else your child wants to see come to fruition. With each purchase of Dash and Dot, you also get a 12-month subscription to Class Connect, a one-stop shop for kids to learn about coding and play challenges with their new robot friends. Dash and Dot are also rechargeable and come with the proper charging cable, so you don't have to search for a cord at home. Number 2. Think Gizmos RoboShooter Remote Control Robot. This remote control robot does everything from talking to shooting discs and busting a move. Loaded up with the brightly colored discs, there are 12 included. Use the remote to get it into position, and it's ready, aim, fire. It can even be programmed ahead of time to move and fire on its own for a surprise attack. The robot can also walk forward and backward and greets you when you turn it on, signaling that the fun is about to begin. A touch of the dance button, and it'll show you its moves. Our tester noted that the design of this robot is not the most sophisticated, so it's more suitable for younger kids as an introduction to robotic toys. The multiple functions kept our tester's son entertained for hours, earning it high scores for entertainment value. As with other toys that come with accessories, the discs are easily misplaced, and the noises it makes could prove annoying for parents. The exterior is easy to wipe down if the robot gets dirty. You will need to supply AA batteries for this toy. Number 3. Top Race Remote Control Robot Dog. With a robot dog, kiddos can adopt a family pet without the required 24/7 care and added expenses of food, toys, and more. This robot dog toy mimics the voice and movement of several animals, responds to voice-controlled commands, and is controllable via remote control. While the remote control requires 2 AA batteries to operate, the robot pet includes a rechargeable battery for longer-lasting play. Number 4. LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox. This LEGO robot kit is sure to wow everyone in the family with its many different multifunctional builds. The LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox includes 847 pieces to make Bernie the robot, Frankie the cat, Auto Builder, Guitar 4000, and MTR-4, all of which are programmable on the free LEGO Boost app. Program Bernie the robot to dance and play a game or go exploring with the multi-tooled Rover 4, which also includes several attachments, like a spring-loaded shooter. Number 5. KinderLab Robotics KIBO 10 Home Edition. Recommended for children ages 4 to 7. Kids will enjoy the multiple play possibilities with KIBO, a coding robot you build and decorate yourself. The screen-free robot was designed by early education researchers at Tufts University and allows kids to change their actions with a sequence of coding cards. KIBO also encourages creativity, as kids can attach paper designs to its top and change them whenever they like, or draw directly onto KIBO's whiteboard top with the included marker. Number 6. Sphero Bolt App-Enabled Robot. Between the LED display and infrared detection, the Sphero Bolt looks and acts like something out of the future. The robot ball's LED matrix display is programmable to a variety of icons of your kiddo's choice, such as a heart or lightning bolt, and is packed with customizable sensors, like infrared detectors, that tell the robot when something is nearby. The Sphero Bolt's outer shell is waterproof and scratch-proof, so it's durable enough to withstand any bumps along the way. The Sphero Edu app is required for the baseball-sized robot to work, but the Bolt is compatible with Android, Apple, and Kindle devices via Bluetooth Smart, allowing children to see their coding commands happen in real time. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.